This is Alex from Adult Services, and welcome to the Library Catalog Tutorial Series. In this video, you will learn how to search for new DVDs in the Fox Lake Library Library Catalog. So we start out by going to your browser and going to google.com. In google.com, the search engine, type in Fox Lake District Library, and then the Enter key. You'll then want to click on the Fox Lake District Library homepage to go to our website. Left mouse click once. At our library website, to open up our catalog, start by left-clicking on the Search the Catalog box and type in DVD and the Enter key. To make sure that you're only getting the DVD formats, on the left-hand side of the screen, you click on where it says DVD, and then left-click on Sort by Relevance, and left-click on Publication Date. So now you'll find the titles of the brand new DVDs in alphabetical order from 101 Dalmatians, and then A's all the way to Z's. So it'll start with the 2020s first. And when you run out of results in the first page, just click on the Next button, and it'll proceed to the next page. And then Next again. So that's how you search for all the DVDs in our collection and sort by the newest publication. Sometimes you might want to find a specific genre of DVD. So you've already filtered by DVD, but on the left-hand side, there's a genre button. Click on the genre link. And let's say we want to look for spooky horror films. Left click on horror films. And now the results are just narrowed down by horror films. If you want to see what the newest horror film is, left click on Sort by Relevance and select Sort by Publication Date. And again, you'll get the results 2020, alphabetical order. Then it'll go to 2019, then to 2018, and then earlier. If you wanted to look for a different genre, click on Remove Horror Films, but keep the DVD filtered. Go back to Genre. And let's say we wanted to look at any of these genres you can click on. Comedies. If we click on Show More, let's say we wanted to look at an adventure film. You can left-click on Adventure Film, and it'll bring up all the adventure films. Or we can look at the genre Suspense or Thrillers. If I click on Thrillers, it'll bring up thrillers. And same thing, if you wanted to sort by the newest, left click on the drop-down menu, sort by publication date, and then 2020, and then alphabetical order of titles. So that's a basic introduction to how to search for new DVDs in the collection. Either you're searching by all DVDs, sorting by publication date, and narrowing it down by a specific genre. Thank you for coming to today's tutorial. Stay tuned for future tutorials about the library catalog. Check it out on our website or social media. And have a great day.